Hello, Paul here from EMD Motorsport at Carrington, Sydney. I've got this Porsche 996. I was doing the actual AC flaps because the foam was falling apart. Modification, and one more thing is the actual evaporator for the AC was leaking pretty bad. So let's just want to refresh memory. This is it. AC evaporator for the 996, pretty much same as the 997, very similar. Leaking pretty bad here. So we're going to go back to the car. I was going to put the front end on. This part here is all done. Just got to get a new pollen filter. But let's have a look at the car here. Everything's back together except the side trims there. That's the easy part, but now everything's back together. I'm just going to put the bolts for the airbag here, down there on Monday. It's a bit of a pain, that one, but that's what I'll do on Monday, so I'll just leave it like that for Monday here, so I know which one. But if you look closely, everything is done here. There's no more foam flying out from the AC vents here. The AC is very cold as well, so I've got some of the stuff still stuck there. You can just get a little toothbrush and clean that out, but for now pretty much everything is back together. There's no more faults. There's no faults here. All back to normal here. And the most important one, there's no faults on the actual scan tool whatsoever. So AC, airbag, ABS, DME, instrument cluster, alarm system, there's no faults there logged. So I'm happy. The radio's working as well. The actual everything's working here. That's working. Everything's working at the bottom. Top vent, middle vent, and bottom vent, footwell or windscreen, you can call it whatever you want. AC, and the actual recirc's working. That's working. Everything's working. That's the wiper, the rear wiper. See, it's working. That's that one there. Yeah. Just gotta put that AC, the vent tube for the actual AC vent on the side here, after I put the actual bolts for the airbag. But yeah, everything's pretty done on this car here. Running pretty cool. Turn it off now, so pretty much everything is done. Okay, so now we can zoom out. So I'll finish the front of the car next week. And then actually the mesh for the actual the mesh for that, there's some mesh I gotta fit the customer bought for his front bar. I'll do that next week, and then I'll go for a road test, and then yeah, big job this one, but we're nearly there. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.